Hello and welcome to teacherswebpost.com. Today's tutorial is a quick review of how to manage a question bank. Multiple choice, matching, writing, and running record are all types of prompts that are stored in a database where things are categorized. Well, let's suppose you want to do some quick editing for one of your questions. Click on Manage Questions. Select the category of question that you want to edit, or where your question is found, and click on the Show Selected box or button. Here you'll find all the questions in this category. I see in the Enlightenment and Scientific Revolution I have 23. Find the question that has a problem and click on Show Quick Edit. Oh look, no question mark on that. I can do everything with the question here with regards to its text and the possible answers, setting its category, and setting an optional level. I click Save Changes, and it's done. In the event that I need to edit if there's an image attached, for example, or if there is an audio clip that's attached, you need to go here to this Advanced Edit, where you can edit the audio or add a picture and things like that. So there's a lot more power to this section here. But the quick edit is designed to help you make quick changes before you generate a test.